Let's get straight to it. Today we're working on a 2012 Honda Accord. Today I'm going to show you how to change your spark plugs. We're going to make this really quick. Let's start by removing the negative battery terminal. To get to the spark plugs, we have to get down up in here. So there's four 10mm bolts that we have to remove. Let's get those off. Once you get that cover off, then you're going to reveal your ignition coils, and your spark plugs are right underneath. To speed things up, I'm only going to change one on camera, and then I'll change the rest off camera because they're all the exact same. So I'm going to show you how to change this one right here. So I'm going to undo this harness here, pull that off. Then there's a 10mm bolt. We're going to get that out. After that, you can go ahead and pull your ignition coil up and go ahead and check it for any oil. It looks nice and dry. If there's oil in it, that means there's a leak somewhere in the valve cover. So that's why we're checking for that. Once your ignition coil is removed, get your spark plug socket and extension. In this case, this is a 5/8 or 16mm, and it has the rubber in there. Go ahead and set that down in there. I have a ratchet. I'm going to go ahead and turn this counterclockwise until I loosen this up, and then I'm going to get that spark plug all the way out. All right, we got the old spark plug out, and now we can go ahead and put our new spark plug in. All right, we're going to take our new spark plug and we're going to set it in the socket. All right, now we're going to take our spark plug and set it all the way down until you can feel it, and start to turn it a little bit clockwise until you can feel it threading. Once you have it threaded in by hand, you get your ratchet and you go ahead and you tighten it back up. Once you have it as tight as you want it, sometimes you have to rock it to get that socket up. A lot of times that socket will want to stay down with the spark plug because of that boot. So sometimes you gotta rock it around to get both the socket and the extension up. So after that, we can go ahead and put the ignition coil back in. Then put your bolt back in. Let's go ahead and tighten that up. Let's go ahead and get our harness connected. Now we have to get this piece back on here. And remember, it was 4 bolts that went in there. Get those started. And that's pretty much it for your spark plugs. I changed the other 3 off camera, so all of my spark plugs are done, and now you know how to change them. So just don't forget to reattach your negative battery terminal, and that should be it. So thanks again for sticking through another video. If you liked the video, you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.